So in this interactive brokers tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to change your password here on Interactive Brokers. So once the app is opened up, just go to the top left and press on the three horizontal lines. Once you're on this page right here, I want you to go to where it says settings right here and select that. Once you're on the settings page right here, a bunch of different options are actually right here. So if you want to go ahead and change your password, it's super simple and super straightforward. We're going to go ahead and select on account settings. Once account settings is selected right here, I want you to go to where it says password and then select change your password. It'll then redirect you to this page right here where you can go ahead and type in your current password, your new password, confirm the new password, and then press continue in order to change your password that way. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how to change your password here on Interactive Brokers. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.